Top 10 elevators here at Top 10 Elevators out of ZARA. HT. Oh, these are interesting. They're a lot darker than usual. This is the one near Rockefeller Center. And their abusive services. Obviously. No, well, a little nicer ZARA, but this one's pretty abused. Of course, this is open. We'll see if we can switch down here. Are these on the same controller? Yeah, they are. Okay. Just so we can ride them both. Hopefully a non-stop flight. You guys going to one? It's definitely custom. Cabinets open in this one too. Here you go. You're welcome. There's the indicators, right? That's it.